Skin, girl, your skin just like pearls. The best thing in the world. Never change.
Hey loves, it's your girl Tina Alisse, and today's video is going to be all about how I got this look, so if you want to know, just keep on watching. Okay, so today's video was requested by one of my friends on Instagram. By the way, she's a huge foodie, so if you guys love food and want to follow her on her journey, you should definitely check out her page. But now let's hop into this video. All I did so far was I primed my eyelids with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Natural, and then I blended it in. Now I'm using my James Charles Morphe palette, and I'm pointing to the colors Playground, Brother, Cola, and Acapella. And I first start out with the color Playground. Now I'm going in with the color Brother. Then I went back into the palette and mixed the colors Cola and Acapella together. Okay, so now obviously I'm using my box of Crayons palette, and I'm going to be using the color Blue and Baby Blue. First I started out with the color Blue, and then later on in the video I'll use the color Baby Blue. Now I'm using my LA Girl Pro Concealer again, just to make a wing-like shape on my eyelid. Okay, please don't come for me. I literally have no idea what brand this is. This was just the cheapest palette in pastel colors that I saw on Amazon. It was like 10 bucks, so I just got it. Anyways, I just used a turquoise color and a baby blue color on the outside of my eyelids, and then on the inside, I just used the darkest blues they had. Also, this is the part where I used the color Baby Blue from the box of Crayons palette. Here I'm just cleaning up my eyeshadow with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Chestnut. I also used the color Baby Blue from the box of Crayons palette underneath my eyes. Okay, so originally I didn't plan on doing this, but I just found a finished brush I had, and then I used my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Natural, and I kind of made like a curved line in the crease area. Another thing that I saw on Amazon were these glitter liners, and I'm just using the color of gold or orange, and I'm gonna leave the link to this in the description box below. Okay, so I'm gonna be quiet so y'all can enjoy the video. And here's our final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe, and comment down below what you guys want to see me do next. Thanks for watching.
Get it how I live it. Wait a minute. I live it how I get it.